Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. We are going to be doing a deep conditioning oil treatment for you today, or rather, Jalen will be doing it and I will be talking you through it. So here we go. Jalen is putting 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a glass container, and then she is going to be adding 2 teaspoons of black castor oil. And this is, I forget the brand, but you can pick these up at your local wig stores. You can get black castor oil at a number of places, health food stores and things like that, so it's not hard to find. And then next, she is going to be adding 2 teaspoons of peppermint oil. And peppermint oil, as you know, it tingles in the scalp to let you know that it's cleansing and doing the work that it's supposed to do. But peppermint oil is really good for your scalp. Get it all in there. All right. And then the next ingredient that she's going to be adding is 2 teaspoons of argan oil. Argan oil penetrates really well into the scalp. Helps to strengthen, to give shine. And there you go. This is from the wig store to the hair store, or you can get it or argan oil from another number of places. Here she's adding 3 teaspoons of wild hair growth. And as you all probably know, wild hair growth is really good for the growth of hair. It has a number of different ingredients in it too. You can use it by itself, but here she's pairing it with the coconut oil, black castor oil, peppermint oil, and argan oil to create the conditioning oil treatment. All right, so she's going to go ahead and stir it, kind of get the chunks out. And then after doing that, she's going to pour it into a bottle, just about any container you have with a squeeze top on it, the narrow top. So I'm just going to get that all in there, every last little drop. Now she's shaking it up to get it all mixed and incorporated together. And now she's going to put it in hot boiling water. Just let it come to a boil, and you want to do that for about 3 minutes. And here she's taking it out of the boiling water. And also just remember to test it before you put it in your hair. Okay, here she is squirting her hair with water, just moistening it up. Get it all saturated. Not saturated to where it's dripping, but just getting it very, very moist. So she's just going to part it with her fingertips here. She does not use a comb a lot, so she doesn't tear at her hair. Sometimes when detangling, but not always, just combing through it on a daily. All right, here she has parted it into 4 sections. She's going to detangle a little bit with the wide tooth comb. It's important to use a wide tooth comb for the most part if you're going to use a comb when you have natural hair. So she put a little bit more water on here and just, saturating it. running it through, getting the tangles out. Oops. Here she's going to put the oil on the scalp and through the hair. And she's going to work that through and massage it into her scalp. Make sure to get it real good. And this feels real good when you massage your scalp too. But she's going to make sure she gets it all areas of the scalp. And just massage it in. And here she is going to go ahead and twist it up. And as you can see, the oil is all through the hair. So in the front section, she is going to repeat the same process. It's already wet. She detangled it, and she's going to go ahead and put the oil on the scalp, making sure she gets it in real good. She's going to get it down through the hair. So you want to oil your scalp and your hair and massage it into the scalp really good. This is very important. You want to get it, worked in so it soaks into your scalp. Massaging those temples. She had a couple of problems with her temple areas, but they are growing very well, growing back in very well now. And she's been doing this treatment for, I think, a couple of months now. Helps a lot. So she's going to go ahead and twist up her hair right here. Got it all worked in. Got it all twisted up. All right, she's going over to the other side and repeating the process again. The hair dried up just a little bit, so she's going to put a little bit more water in it, and she's detangling. All right, shaking up. It's important to keep it shaken up so the oils don't separate. So keep the bottle shaken up. She put the oil on her scalp. She's putting the oil through the hair, working it in, massaging it in to her scalp as well. All right, and now she's twisting this section up. And she's doing the last section. Repeating the process, squirting with water just to remoisten. She's going to detangle with the wide tooth comb. Her hair is growing so good. Her hair is doing really well in a natural state. All right, she is putting the oil on her scalp again. And all through the hair. Getting the ends. Be careful to get the ends. Want to keep those ends moisturized too. Helps with split ends, this treatment does. Massaging that scalp. Getting those temples on the other side. And she's going to go ahead and twist up the last section of her hair. Pippi Longstocking. No? Okay. So she has covered it with a plastic bag, and then she made sure to put the band around so that the heat does not escape from under the elastic. Sometimes it has gaps. So here she's going to go ahead and put the hair dryer on really, really, really warm. I guess maybe I won't say hot. You don't want to burn yourself, but as warm as you can stand it. And blow dry all over so you can get your hair all warm. Okay? She's putting the conditioning, doing the conditioning agents here. The co-wash, the Cantu co-wash. Taking the plastic elastic cap off her head. Taking down the twists. All right, she's going to go ahead and start rinsing. And she is just getting it well saturated with water. And now she's going to put in the Cantu coat wash. Being careful to get it all through her hair. It's pretty thick, so you have to do it a couple of times to get it saturated with the coat wash. So now she is rinsing. She's already, she put a couple applications of the coat wash on. And she rinsed it out. Now she's using the t-shirt method to not completely dry her hair, but just, getting up the excess water with the t-shirt. Towels you're not supposed to use if you can help it when you have natural hair. That's right, Jayla. T-shirt is best. Whoops. What's going on? Okay. So now she is just sectioning again. Sectioning again. Okay, so now it's time for the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. And you're going to take about a tablespoon and a half and saturate your hair with that. Get it worked in. This is, deep conditioning. Twist it up. And see, it's all through the hair. All through the hair. So she's just going to coil it up and put it up. All right, so she has done all 4 sections of her hair the same way. Really. But her hair has done so well. She was having such a problem. Oop. There you go. She did her edges. But she was having such a problem, with her hair, finding the right combination of ingredients to use and products to use. And, turn it around. There you go. 24-hour edge tamer. Extreme firm hold. She uses that sometimes. And she also used some other, but look, and it's so moist. It's well moisturized, rather, I should say. And it's growing so much. Thanks for watching, everybody.